We're gonna get a layer of these raviolis down. For my OCD fans out there, we gotta get it all even. Now we're making a ravioli lasagna. This is 5 ingredients, perfect for a weeknight dinner. Let's get this vodka sauce in there. I like the Rayo's, but you can use whatever sauce you like. We got a little spoon here to kind of help spread it around, even it out a little bit. Now we got a little cooked sausage in that we're gonna put in. We have some finely shredded mozzarella here, low moisture. Guys, I find that the finely shredded melts a little bit better. We're just gonna put a layer of this on. Don't be afraid to get in there with your hands a little bit, mix it around. Trust me, my hands are clean. And just a little bit of shredded parm in. So basically this is gonna make 2 layers in our little 8x8 dish. And we'll grab a handful of these little raviolis and put another layer of them in. And this is pretty easy to get 4x4. And if they overlap a little bit, the world ain't gonna come to an end. And these little raviolis are stuffed with little mozzarella. But if you guys want to get the meat ravioli, go for it. But we're covering the meat part of this dish with that cooked sausage. And again, with the Rayo's. I love this vodka sauce too. This Rayo's is our favorite brand of pasta sauce. All right, again, we're spreading out that pasta sauce. Now this is that round up pasta. So it's gonna cook in the pasta sauce. It only takes about 3 minutes to cook in like boiling water. So when we do this, it works out really well using the pasta sauce in there. All right, we'll get the rest of our cooked sausage in there. Spread it around. And we'll get the rest of our finely shredded mozz in there. So we're using about a bag's worth of shredded mozzarella. You know, we like it cheesy. Again, you're spreading it around to the sides here. The rest of it on. And I like it butted up to the sides. You get a little crispy edges. You know it's gonna be tasty. And lastly, going with your little parm, little grated parm. All right, guys, here's our little lasagna. 5 ingredients, way too easy. We have our oven preheated to 350. We're going in for about 20-25 minutes, uncovered. Basically everything but the pasta's cooked in here, and that pasta will cook up really quick, okay? So you don't need to cover anything like that. You want that top nice and golden brown too. Just that easy. I'll see you in a second. Oh my goodness, guys. Listen, that looks amazing right there. I'm pumped up, but we have to let it cool down. Do not cut into this. Give it 10, 20-ish minutes. You will burn your face off if you try to eat this right now. All right, we've let this cool down. We got a little fresh parsley we're gonna put on top. You know, you gotta make it look pretty. You gotta get that green in there. All right. Now let's cut into this. We'll go ahead and just get a little corner slice here. See how nice and beautiful this turned out. Golden brown and lovely. All right, get it on the sides. Okay. Let's get our lasagna. Stays intact. Beautiful, beautiful lasagna. What you know about that? Gorgeous. And it saves so much time just by doing the little raviolis and tons of extra flavor. Y'all, this was way too easy to make, full of flavor. 5 ingredients, takes no time at all. Baby, you know it's good.